how to contact Snapchat customer support. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can contact Snapchat customer support, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to contact Snapchat customer support for any sort of help that you might need, you can just try to open the Snapchat application here. And then you can just try to tap the profile icon from the top left and then tap the gear icon from the top right here. Once you tap the gear icon from the top right of the screen, you should be able to see all this, where you want to simply scroll down and then simply look for the option called support. So let me just go ahead and scroll down over here. You could see support or I need help. So over here you can see I need help section. Tap on it. When you tap on I need help, you should be able to see a couple of help details, right? So depending upon what you want, whether you have issues with managing your account, you can tap on it, and instead managing what you're having issues with, just go ahead and select that, because this is the best way to figure out. So let's say it is related to your account deletion or reactivation. I can select that. Here you can see tap on contact us, and now you just want to actually submit a request as to why your account was compromised or anything as such. You can just fill in the details and then just tap the submit option and Snapchat will get back to you. Now if you're talking about you want to directly call to them by contacting the live support team and the call number, you have to understand that how many users Snapchat has. More than over 1 billion users in this world. So Snapchat cannot actually fulfill the needs of each and every user by calling them one after another. So what they do is instead you can submit a request and then they will get back to you after you have submitted a request, depending upon what sort of issue you have. This way you can contact Snapchat customer support. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.